my name is Ming Nangolo, your Central Florida realtor, and today we are in the beautiful Brevard County in the Palm Bay area checking out Marondo Homes. This is a new home build. Their lots are kind of scattered around the area, so they don't have like a whole community, but their floor plans start in the mid 200s. This specific floor plan is called Focus Home, and it's starting at 292. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and its square foot is about 1,800 square foot. So it's a really big floor plan, a really spacious home, and it's at an affordable pricing. Please excuse me because it's been a crazy day today and it's really humid in Palm Bay. Coming from Orlando where it's a little bit not as humid, it's really, I'm getting used to the weather down here. So if you guys have any questions about this specific property or any homes in Brevard County, give me a call at 407-209-8380 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Bye! Have my camera pen here. Usually I have a camera person who takes these videos for me, so I have to use a tripod, but this is just the general area. I want you guys to call me to come and set up an appointment with the wonderful sales associates here, so that way we can talk about pricing, financing, and other floor plans that they may have. Again, this is a Focus Home floor plan, and it's about 1,800 square foot. So if you have any questions about this floor plans or any other homes by Marondo Homes, call me at 407-209-8380 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Enjoy the rest of the day. Hello again, my name is Ming Nangolo, your Central Florida realtor, and today I'm like a headless chicken running around trying to get these videos done for you guys. So today I'm at Holiday Builders. I'm at their Captiva floor plan starting in the mid 300s. This is between 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 baths, just depending on the floor plan that you're trying to get. So this is a really nice floor plan. So if you're interested in this home with Holiday Builders or any other homes in the area, do give me a call at 407-209-8380. I'm your new Palm Bay realtor. If you're relocating, call me. If you're a new buyer, second buyer, investor, anything that you're trying to get your real estate deal done, give me a call. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Yes, so being a one-man show is really hard, guys, so I'm really trying to juggle everything and trying to get my camera system all set up. If you have any recommendations, please do give me a call. I'm still trying to get everything set up. Again, my name is Ming. Phone number is 407-209-8380, and this is the inside of the Captiva. Really gorgeous, very elegant, very homey. There's a lot of compartments in the home, a lot of hidden areas that the family can hide and play around. So this is a really, really good space to stay in. Again, I'm talking from Palm Bay. If you're interested in any homes in Brevard County, do give me a call. If you're interested in any homes in Orange County, Seminole, or Osceola County, I also serve those areas as well. Do give me a call as well, 407-209-8380. I hope you have the beautiful, beautiful day. Bye-bye.